Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another walk around at the Tulsa location of Insurance Auto Auction. Yep, you just heard it. You come out here a day before the auction, you can start a car and see if it is the one for you. That's what we're doing right now. We're taking a look at all these possibilities and we're seeing some really cool cars, and we're why are we seeing a car with horns? Someone glued horns on the hood of this car. Can you see that? Wow. Okay, that's something special. This was a Honda that was loved, or it was a devil Honda. One of the two. Yeah, look at the two horns. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. That's hail, folks. Rolls-Royce Dawn. Oh my goodness. Why is my life so fun? Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yeah, here she is, all-wheel drive in the Chrysler 300 version. Yep, this is a 2016 Chrysler 300, and it looks to be in really good condition. Check out the license plate. Woo, sexy mama. Okay, so damage-wise, not a lot. The insurance company was very thorough. One little ding, three little dings. Oh, here's one. It says hail, four little hail dings. This is a very picky insurance company. You got the blacked out, wow, tail lights. So we had 4 dings. Here's one, 5. This right here, 6 and 7. 7 dings on this car. What does the inside hold for us? Let's kind of, oh, whoa. Okay. Yeah, this is a, oh, goodness. Okay, this has been in a flood. Look at the seats, though. You know, if you're not afraid of a flood vehicle, this might be the one for you, but this is, woo, it smells like an aquarium. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay, let's just kind of, I don't know if I want to sit down in it. Yeah, how high did the water go? Over the seats, I bet you. The water looks like it went right to there. Wow. Okay, so, oh, the smell, I wish. It's like being in a terrarium or something with dead snails. Okay, but it'll clean up. We're gonna be positive. We're gonna be positive about this car. Yeah, she'll clean up nice and pretty. Let's look at the engine and see if we can see how high the water got. I love these cars. I've never had one though, but I do. I love the way they look. I really do. Okay. Well, she's dirty. How high did the water get? Maybe to the frame rail right there, which would probably be even with the rear seats there, maybe? I don't know. Wow. Okay, this is the 3.6 liters, not the Hemi. I love the headlights, I really do. Whoa. Why did she have to go like, oh, look at this. Yeah, give her a good bath. Take out all the interior. And, okay, so the water even got up to here. Yep, it even got up to here. And this is okay, this is, huh. Okay, that's personal, so I can't show that. But, wow. Okay, this was a older person who owned this car, I'm guessing. Okay. Yeah, this is a hospital tag right there. But as far as damage, I don't know. If it's freshwater flood, but it got so high into the car, I don't know. I really want to sit down and try it, but I can't because it's dead. This is, what a conundrum. Woo! I love the wheels too. I really like those. But this car, yeah, I can't risk it at this point in my, oh, they have tape. They left their tape. Yeah, at this point in my life, I can't risk this kind of car. Okay, so let's keep looking. We're just going to keep on looking. We'll close this just like we found it. But 2016 Chrysler 300, you were a beautiful car back in the day. How about a German car? Yep, one that supports my Cowboys. How about a Volkswagen 2017 Volkswagen Jetta? Go Pokes. Yep, that's my alma mater right there. Oklahoma State University. All right, the car looks great on the outside. I don't see any damage or anything. We do have one airbag that has been deployed, so maybe we're coming up on some damage. Yeah, I think we're coming up on something. We're coming up on... Ugh, okay. So, we got a bit of an issue here. That's why this airbag has been deployed. Fixable. Could be expensive because you're going into this part of the car right there, and I guarantee you this door is not going to open. It's closed. Yeah, see, you can't even open it. Doggone it, this was a pretty car in white with a little sporty interior. A little bit of damage on the front of the car right there. Let's see what the inside looks like. 103,000 miles on the odometer. Need a little B-pillar plastic piece right there. I love these little Jettas. I had a blue one, and to replace the door skins, it was so easy. Look how nice. We have battery. We have battery. Let's try it. Let's see what's going to happen. Come on, little girl. Here we go. She going to start? Taking bets. Taking bets. I think so. Okay. A little whistle right at the start. But otherwise, kind of nice. Yep. Clock is right. No, the clock is wrong. Air conditioning. Yes. Oh, thank you, air conditioner. This is nice. This is nice up here. Cloth seats. I like the sporty two-tone right here. It's a nice looking dash. Steering wheel's little. All your controls. No sunroof. No moonroof. There is some damage where the airbag went off right here. Nothing major. Get a new one of those on eBay. But look at this. This is nice. Okay, well, we have a cracked windshield. Doggone it. And we are missing the sun visor. Let's take a look at the engine very, very quickly. Yeah, now on my Jetta, it was older. Basically, all you did was you had to unscrew these little things, and the skin would come off, and you could replace it so easily. Super duper easy. Let's see what this looks like. A little bit of a tap. Dirty engine. Look at the battery box. And we do have some coolant in there. There is some windshield washer fluid. And as a timing chain, maybe. Something hitting, maybe right there. Yeah. Other than that, the engine seems to be running pretty good. We'll close it back up. Look at that. Fun little car. This would be a good little college person's car. In fact, it was a college person's car from Oklahoma State University. I'm going to enjoy some air conditioning very, very quickly. Oh, thank you, AC. Thank you, AC. This is a nice car. This is a big, big Tahoe. Yes, sir. Who's your baby? Look how they had to use the tow hitch. It had to come down because the car's so tall. Yeah, they had an extra step on the car as well. I like the color. I really do. It's a nice color, kind of a gold with the black wheels. I like what they did with the headlights of these too. A little more aggressive than before. I think we're going to have some undercarriage damage. Well, there's a good sign right there. And of course, the step ladder on the other side that is not like this one on this side. This is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe. And it used to be a beautiful vehicle. It could be a beautiful vehicle again. Look at the inside. Okay, we have some airbags. Lots of airbags have been deployed. Split seats in the back. third row seating as well. Ooh, wow. So you're gonna need maybe a roof liner. Yeah, look at that right there. Woo, lots of airbags have been deployed. Comfortable seats though. This looks nice. I don't know if I want to get in it or not because it's just a weird feeling. So let's kind of go on this side. Oh, maybe not. What is this? Is this on? This is all on the inside. This was a dirty car. Wow. Okay. And we have, again, being Oklahoma, check this out. There we go. Ah, cool. Very, very cool. We'll leave that right there where we found it. Headphones, all kinds of good stuff right here in the instrument cluster. Do I want to get in over there and just see if she starts? Let's just try it. All right, let's just kind of see what's going on here. This is, I don't know what happened. They left the doors open and a flood got it or something? Maybe it was swept away? I don't know, because the airbag has certainly been deployed. I think it's going to be dead. Yeah, she's not going to do anything. Doggone it, but she was, yeah, nothing at all here. Sugar daddy. Well, this was, I don't know who had this car, but they did not take care of it. Woo! Dirty, dirty. Okay, I can't really do much with this, but anyway, the dash is very similar to the other car that we saw. I do like the older body style center console. That's okay, that's just me. But we're gonna call this one complete because there's water coming out there, there's dirt everywhere. Yeah, I don't even want to look at the engine. I'm sorry. Here we go. We're gonna close it up. That's going to wrap it up for another IAA Insurance Auto Auction walk around. We have lots of cars. We have seen lots of cars. We have lots of cars to go. So you want to stay tuned for this. If you are interested in purchasing any of these cars, once again, they have a great app. You can also go to IAAI.com. Check them out. You do not have to be a car salesman. You do not have to be a dealer to buy the cars. The public is welcome. There are some cars that are dealer only, but you can buy cars as a regular person, just like me. So check them out. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. We are back with another one very soon, folks. Have a great day. Bye.